All right, let's go back to our types of pure substances, and now we can explore this a little bit more. Previously we learned about pure substances, and we said they came in two main forms. There's elements, in which case we only have one type of atom. And then on the other side, we have compounds, in which case we have more than one type of atom. We can break these down even further. So for elements, we could classify them either as atomic. And so with atomic, it's just one atom that's by itself. And generally, the atomic compounds are our noble gases. So remember, they don't want to bond with anything. They've already got 8 valence electrons. They're good, right? So the examples there are, helium, neon, argon, krypton, and so on and so forth. The other main type of element that we can have are our molecular elements. And here we have more than one atom. And the most kind of popular of these are our diatomic gases. So there are 7 diatomic gases that exist as, they don't exist by themselves, they exist in pairs, right? So we took a look at these already, right? There's N2 that's covalently bonded to each other with a triple bond. We have O2 that's covalently bonded to itself with a double bond. And then we have H2, which is covalently bonded to itself with a single bond. And then finally, we have the halogens. So fluorine exists as F2, chlorine exists as Cl2, bromine exists as Br2, and iodine exists as I2. And I'm just going to call them X and X, and they also each have a single bond to one another. And then on the other side, we have the compounds. We have 2 main types of compounds. We have ionic compounds. We already learned about that bonding, right? So that's with a metal and a non-metal, something like a sodium chloride. And then we have covalent compounds, something like water. And in this case, we have covalent bonds, right? The sharing of electrons. And what we'll learn next is how to name all of these different compounds and a little bit about each one of them.